escape to a world of silent, rugged mountains, green, fertile valleys, and cool alpine lakes. Set your watch to a more tranquil time at historic Furlands Ranch. 1,000 beautiful acres nestled between the mountain peaks of eastern British Columbia. Each day, a world of fun and recreation will beckon you outdoors with golf at one of our spectacular valley courses, canoeing, horseback riding, mountain biking, fly fishing, whitewater rafting, and much more. And each night, the warmth and hospitality of Furlands Ranch incredible timber-framed lodge will welcome you back for relaxation and hearty home-cooked meals using the freshest ingredients from Furlands' own garden and paired with the perfect wines. Furlands Ranch, where you're sure to have the greatest time in history.